Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing video for you. This is the My Creative Scrapbook limited edition kit for December. This month we got some beautiful papers and embellishments from 49 and Market. This is the Art Options Holiday Wishes collection. Every year I personally think that 49 and Market puts out a gorgeous Christmas collection, and I think that this one is no different. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you the papers first, and then I'll show you all of the other embellishments that we get in this month's kit. This first piece of paper has this beautiful blue background. I love the cardinal and the lantern, and then these beautiful flowers on both sides of the layout. I love this large one over here. And then I love the way there are touches of print, and that kind of gives it a collage look, which I think looks great. On the B side, we have a lot of different shades of green, and it looks like some brush strokes. I love these 49 and Market papers where they have a wreath and a doily and then lots of lines, gives it a lot of movement. On this particular piece of paper, I love the way there's green in these two corners, and then there's gray and blue in these two corners with some type visible faintly in the background. I feel like these papers come together so quickly because so much of the work is done for you. And then on the other side is this beautiful blue floral. You could see some gray type in the background. And then this paper is just stunning. I think this is one of my favorites. I love all the poinsettias on the bottom, again with the type kind of mixed in. And then on the top is green and some blues and lots of subtle type and other variations in the background. And then the B side is also very beautiful. All these shades of blue, and then there's lots of, it looks like water droplets, splatters, lots of really faint type. That's a beautiful paper as well, or a beautiful side to the paper as well. And then this is just amazing. I love the deep red, rich background. You could see that there are, as usual, hints of images in the background. And then again, we have these beautiful clusters of flowers, but this time against the red background, it has a totally different appearance. And again, the B side, it's so beautiful. There are lines and splatters and droplets, some type. Super beautiful. This paper has the Christmas truck, the truck with the Christmas tree in it, both on the top and the bottom. And then again in the background, you can see lots of hints of images and type and lots of variation. On the other side is this very, again, rich red color. I love the way you could see all of the leaves. So pretty. And then I really like the stripe on the bottom. I love using stripes on Christmas layouts. This paper has lots of red houses, some deer, and again the Christmas truck with the Christmas tree in it, lots of blues and reds as well. And then on the other side is this stripe, perfect for Christmas layouts. Here we have a page with some holly and the berries on either side. I could picture putting a photo right in the center. And then on the other side, I absolutely love this B side. I love the way there are the greens and the blues, and you can see that there's an outline in white of some holly branches. There's just so much depth to these pages. Here's another beautiful page. This one's a little bit more of a smaller scale with the holly leaves and berries, and I'm not sure if they're all holly leaves, but lots of leaves. And then this very beautiful green background. I love this as well. This is similar to the red, again with the different shades of green. And then on the bottom on the branding strip, a green stripe. And then we also received this piece of paper. This is also a 49 and market paper. This is from the Peace and Joy collection. It goes perfectly with all of the other papers of the Holiday Wishes collection. It has the berries and the leaves. This has some really pretty pine cones. And then in the background is this greenish blue color or bluish green color, and then a lot of type and a lot of variation. And on the other side of that paper is, again, a beautiful paper that could serve as a solid, but there's lots going on here besides just having one flat color. And again, we have the stripe for the branding strip. In addition, we have this cut apart sheet. There's so much on here. There are some layering pieces. I call them layering pieces anyway. And then there's a ticket. Here's a frame, some trees. There's one of those houses like we saw in one of the pattern papers, and then lots and lots of florals, some poinsettias, some of the other flowers, the roses, and then there's a label as well. So much to use on your scrapbooking layouts. In the December kit, we get this huge pack of ephemera pieces. On the packaging, they show you all of the images that you get, and I will be showing you all of the pieces in a moment. If you've watched my unboxing videos before, you may know that I absolutely love pointing out how the 49 and Market ephemera packaging is perfect for using on layouts, and this is just an incredibly beautiful image. I love this wreath. It's so detailed and so colorful, and then the background is awesome too. This blue floral, I think that it is absolutely great bonus. But in addition to the packaging that we do get the actual product, so I will show you that right now. We get a number of sentiments. Hello December, It's a Wonderful Life, and Christmas Wishes. And I think that these are great to use as titles or in addition to your title, just as another sentiment on the page. There are a number of snow-covered trees in lots of different sizes. We also get a number of frames in, again, different sizes, and these are the insides. We get some small striped frames in different colors, and then we get these slightly larger frames as well. And I will often use these pieces on my layouts as well. I try to use everything that I think will add to my layouts. Here are some really pretty wreaths, and those are just fantastic. I like the way there's a bigger one and then a smaller one. 49 and Market has lots of tickets in their ephemera packs, and I love the way they have the different colors, different sizes, different types. There are also some tags in different colors with a stripe on the bottom. And there are a lot of pretty images: the lantern, the cardinal, the truck with the Christmas tree. There are also some houses like we saw on the pattern paper with the snow on them and the snow falling down. Here are 3 nice size labels in different colors. And then I call these layering pieces. You can use them for lots of things though. So they have this image in a number of different colors. There's also these notebooks with the watercolor effects in the background. There are a number of these white cards with the paper clip. These are great for journaling. And then here are some more of the larger layering pieces, lots of different colors. And this one has lines. You could use that one for journaling. I like to use these behind my photos, but there's so many different things you could do with them. And then we also get these little labels, and then we get sentiments. Some of them are on white paper and some of them are on different colors of paper. I love the array of different colors here, and I like putting these on my layouts in little groups. And I think that there are a lot of things here that could be used on the layout. You can see there's a lot to choose from. In the December kit, we also get the laser cut elements for the Holiday Wishes collection. These are all of the images. I'll be showing you these in a moment. First, I just wanted to show you that on the other side of the packaging, there are some bonus cut-aparts. There's this nice big layering piece, some tickets, a label, 2 frames or layering pieces, and 4 beautiful poinsettias. And then, of course, we get the laser cut elements. There are 2 sheets, and they fold in half. So first, I will show you this one. This one mainly has florals on it. There are some bows, and there are also some buttons. Love these buttons. But you'll see there are also some holly leaves and some berries, some leaves, lots of poinsettias and roses, lots of beautiful florals to use. And then we also get these images. There are stamps, there are some tags, some trees, and a house on a tag. There are also some lace pieces of different colors and different sizes, some buttons. I love this holly branch with the berries. There are 2 images of trucks with the Christmas tree on them, a cardinal, some buttons. I love the bows too. They have several bows, and I love using those bows on my layouts. Some deer, more buttons, some stamps. There's so much on these sheets. There are even some more sentiments that you could use. Those are the laser cuts. We also get this fantastic stencil. This is a Vicky Bouton stencil, and you could see that it goes perfectly with the collection. It has these poinsettias. It also has the leaves and the branches. It's just so pretty. And I'm looking forward to using this, making some mixed media layouts with it. I think everybody has their favorite embellishment. For me, my very favorite thing is the flowers that we get in each month's limited edition kit. I absolutely love them. They're the first thing I want to look at when I open the kit. I think they're stunning. So this month we have these beautiful Prima poinsettias with the gold centers. Love this. There's 7 of them. I love these. And then this pack is great too. I love the way there are some larger flowers, some tiny flowers. There are buds. There are leaves in the background, and there are these little spirals. I love when flowers are different sizes. I think it makes floral clusters come together so much more easily when there are a variety of sizes. And then again, we have a variety of sizes in this really beautiful pack. I feel like I see a butterfly back there. Looks like there's a little butterfly. I hadn't seen that before. There are some leaves in the background, and then these really beautiful flowers. There are some blue ones, some pink ones, and then this really beautiful big red one with the gold center. So lots of flowers in all different sizes to use on your layouts. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope that you found it useful. If you would like to know more about the My Creative Scrapbook Kits, you can take a look at the website. The link is in the description box. This is the limited edition kit, but there are several other kits that are beautiful as well, different types of kits for different types of scrapbookers. If you stay for a few more moments, you can see all of the layouts that I made using this month's kit at the end of the video. I hope that you'll stay to watch that. And I want to thank you so much once again for watching this video. And I hope you have a fantastic day. And I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.